Subbarao Palagumi. I'm the ambassador from BCSP. I represent BCSP for this conference today. I thank BCSP for having given me an opportunity, and HSE Energy Utilities Forum, Mr. Rohan and team have done a wonderful job in effectively coordinating the overall process, starting from my travel till here, which is great. And the day one was fantastic. A lot of knowledge sharing topics presented by various speakers who are rich experienced, and also the panel discussions were very inspirational and informative.
I would like to thank GME Events for organizing and hosting this event here in Dammam. For us as a sponsor, we were looking to come into the Saudi market and to meet some potential prospects where we can also introduce our health and safety, sustainability and ESG solutions, as well as our active work in AI integration. So the event allowed us the opportunity to meet with some key people, which we will be following up with.
Had a good event. Congratulations to GM Events team. They pulled up a really good show, and there were a lot of delegates with whom we could interact. Of course, being a sponsor, we would want more and more delegates to come and interact with us.
My name is Mark Lisco. I'm the Managing Director of Control Hub. We've just exhibited at the HSE Energy Utilities Forum in Dammam. It's our first time exhibiting at a forum like this in the Middle East. We've had a great time. I think we came out here as a bit of a fact-finding, understand the market exercise, speak to people in the health and safety industry within energy utilities in the GCC in particular.
My name is Paul Burns. I'm a representative of Aqua Power here today for the HSE Energy and Utilities Forum that was here in Dammam, Kingdom Saudi Arabia. The event actually was organised by great minds. I was invited here by Rohan Jada. Really successful event. We're on day 2. Great learning outcomes. A lot of our industry peers here.
This is Mohammed Al-Ghamdi, VP Manufacturing Dammam. I'm so glad to be invited for this presentation in the HSE Utility and Energy Conference, the first edition for it in the Kingdom. I was really lucky to be part of this conference along with my esteemed and very expert individuals whom did really great in this conference and presented a very insightful and added value presentation.
The HSE Energy and Utilities Forum has given us a great foundation to introduce our systems to the market in Saudi Arabia. We've engaged with a new audience here. All were very enthusiastic and interested in the solutions that we're offering to the market here.
It has combined many aspects in the health, safety and environment, which concludes in a good discussion and a good results over how health and safety can be improved. We as Al-Wakia have shown our products and our interest in this exhibition, and we have been able to get in touch and to get network with different companies.
It was a fantastic event we had here. We understand a lot of information we got from here.
I think it was a good event. We could connect with some of the potential customers, and more so the kind of programs carried out and the kind of exchange of knowledge on HSE and energy, both on oil and industrial side, was very exciting. And couple of the programs which I attended was of very impressive.
It was a wonderful opportunity for us to be present here, and with this opportunity we got to interact with many end users, key technical persons, and discuss with them a lot of new opportunities, their requirements, and we are able to provide them solutions upfront, discuss with them. So overall it was a good experience.